We used ChatGPT to produce social media marketing content for a client. First, we needed to know the client's requirements. This client is selling cat beds and wants us to produce a video showcasing her new product. She wants us to highlight the product features. Here's what we need to include. First, the colors available. We have beige, red, blue, and yellow. Second, we have the sizes: small, medium, large, extra large, and double X for hefty babies. Third, the machine washable beds are made of recycled plastic, cotton, and polyester. She wants the tone of the video to be light and cheerful. Let's head over to ChatGPT. Type, write me an advertising script for a cat bed. This seems good, but let us have it generate more versions. Prompt, give me 2 more versions of this script. Now that we have 3 scripts, choose the one you like best. In this case, I will go with the third one. But this time, let's add in the required talking points. Let's copy-paste the script we want. Let's also add more instructions. Type, use this script, but add the following details with a light and cheerful tone. Now let's ask it to generate a few more versions of the script. 1 Halloween themed and 1 Christmas themed. Generate 2 more versions of this script. 1 Halloween themed, 1 Christmas themed. Now let's read through the scripts to check if they contain the information we indicated earlier. Halloween script. Christmas script. If everything is satisfactory, we can send it to the client for approval. This gives us a great start to begin your campaign. As you can see, it is still important to be selective on which response to use. ChatGPT is a powerful but unrefined tool. The answers we get still have to be customized according to what is needed. Despite its clear advantage, human judgment is still required.